Hello dear students, it is your exercise 4.3 question number 2. Find the product of following. So here you have to find the product of the fractions. So it is 1 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 6. So now you can see from up to down the numbers are same and both the numbers are divisible by 5. So what we will do, we will divide both the numbers by 5. So 5 ones are 5. Again 5 ones are 5. So what are we left with? 1 upon 1 multiplied by 1 upon 6. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 6 ones are 6. So 1 by 6 is the answer. Moving towards the part B, it is 8 by 9 is the first fraction multiplied by 3 by 4. Now you can see 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So we can divide them by 3. Similarly, 8 and 4 are divisible by 4. So we can divide these fractions by 4. So first of all, we'll take 3 and 9. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So we are left with 8 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now 8 and 4 are divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we are left with 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 it is 2 and 3 multiplied by 1 it is 3. So 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Moving towards the next part, it is 3 by 8 multiplied by 5 by 6. So we have been given two fractions. Dear students, you have to remember a very important thing that from down to down we cannot divide the numbers, we cannot cancel them. Okay, 8 and 6 are divisible by 2, but we cannot write here 3 and here 4 because they are in the same order. Okay, they are the denominators. Similarly, the numerators we cannot cancel. Okay, up to down, numerator to denominator. Okay, either of the first fraction, either of the second fraction. So here you can see 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we are left with 1 by 8 multiplied by 5 by 2. Now 5 and 8 are not divisible. So 5 ones are 5 and 8 twos are 16. So 5 by 16 is the answer. Moving towards the next part, it is the D part. It is 7 upon 10 multiplied by 2 by 3. It is 9, sorry. So you can see 9 and 3 are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So we are left with 3 by 10 multiplied by 2 by 1. Again we can see 2 and 10 are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Now we are left with 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 1. So 3 ones are 3 and 5 ones are 5. So this is the answer. Similarly, moving towards the next part, it is E part. 7 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 7. Now here you can see 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So we are left with 7 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 7. Sorry, 7 by 3 here. Okay, now 1, 7 and 7 are divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So we will write 1 and 1. Here it was 3. Again here was 3. So now 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 1. So the answer will be 1 by 3. Thank you.